Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put s minus 1 to the power of 2 and s minus number 1. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared minus 2s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. Because this is about s minus number 1, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. S minus 1 ds we change for the u over number 2. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u plus 1 over number 2. So if we do first the derivative, so that is about the u over number 2. Because this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one we have tan u. So we have t multiplied by v. We have dt multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 2. I will put outside, and we have the integration tan u du. We know that tan u that is about sine u over cosine u. The integration of negative of sine u over cosine u, that is about positive Ln of the absolute value of cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared minus 2s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.